Welcome, today we're going to show you how to give mouse control in Zoom. So the first thing you need to do is to go to My Account after you sign in. After that you will see your profile section. So you need to click on Settings as see from here. So after you go to your profile settings you need to click on Meeting. From here you need to drop down till you see Remote Control. So as see from here you need to drop down a lot till you see this option and you need to click Allow. So after you have turned on the remote control, you need to start your meeting as see from here. After that, you need to click on remote control from the top bar of Zoom. So from here you will see remote control option, just click on it and click give mouse keyboard control. Then you will be prompted to give the control to any participant you have. So just give the control to anyone you want. Also from the participant view, he can request the remote control by clicking on view options and clicking on request remote control. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.